Hi, I'm Akshay Jain, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to SQL Server Integration Services. Microsoft's Integration Services is a platform for building enterprise level data integration and data transformation solution. You can use integration services to solve a complex business problem by copying or downloading of files either from a cloud or from some particular shared drive or some FTP sites. You can send email messages in response to some particular events, like you want to initiate or some particular jobs or initiate some particular task. You can do that by using this SQL Server Integration Services. You can update a data warehouse. That means you have a data warehouse system where the data is getting populated from the diverse data stores. You can write a backend jobs to fetch a data from this data stores, and you can just push that data into your data warehouse. Or you can write a code to perform a data mining activity, or to clean your data or standardizing the data. Apart from that, you can also do a certain kind of activity, like if you want to create a consolidated system which can accommodate a data from various diverse data stores. You can just do that activity by using SSIS. Apart from that, if you want to maintain your SQL Server objects, like you want to take a backup or restore, or like you want to do a backup restore activity for your SQL Server database, or you want to just clean the history logs, or you want to just maintain your logs, or you want to maintain the index, all those things you can just maintain using the different tools available within an SSIS without writing a single line of code. In integration services, it provides a rich set of built-in tasks, containers and transformation with data adapters that support the development of business application with minimum efforts of writing a code or almost without a single line of code. It has graphical tools or wizard for building and debugging of packages. It provides basically a platform using which we can perform an ETL activity. What I mean by ETL is that we can extract the data from different sources. That sources can be some kind of file system like Excel, CSV, Excel file, XML file, or any kind of file system where the format is predefined. Or we can fetch data from different kind of database management systems like Oracle, SQL Server, Informix, DB2, or some of the standard systems like SharePoint Server. We can just get the data from there. We can load that data into any of the database management system on any of the flat file system. Apart from that, if between this data extraction and data load activity, if we want to do any kind of data transformation, that activity also we can do using the SSIS package. Like, just to give you an example, let's say we are extracting the data from some source system, and before we load the data into our destination system, we want to do a currency conversion. Then those kind of basic operations or some kind of operation we want to do, we can just do it using an SSIS. It provides built-in containers, so we can just need to add those containers over here and there. We just need to create a workflow, and we just require to configure those particular components. Once configured, the component will perform the corresponding activities. It also provide a management services, the integration services for administrating the packages and executions and storage of data. It also provides an application programming interface for programming the integration services object model. So if there are some transformation task or some particular task which you cannot do using your SSIS packages, then what you can do is you can just write using their custom code. You can create your own code, you can create your own component by following some set of libraries and programming methodology. You can just write your own component, and you can just use it in your SSIS solution. I believe this sample introduction to SSIS have helped you to understand the basic of what is SQL Server Integration Services all about. Thank you very much.